question we often get when people are divorcing is, what's going to happen to my retirement, or what's going to happen to my pension or other things. And in Indiana, the court presumes that there's a 50-50 division of marital property, and that's the just and reasonable way to split things up. So, well, just a little bit about what's considered marital property. What does that include?
Yeah, I think what surprises some clients is all property is included marital property. And what I mean by all property, it means it doesn't matter if it's owned individually, doesn't matter if it's owned jointly, doesn't matter if they acquired it before the marriage, doesn't matter if you started your business before the marriage, doesn't matter if you bought the house and brought it into the marriage. So any property that was acquired before or during the marriage is all going to go in the big pot that we call the marital estate.
And that includes your 401k.
That includes your 401k, your other retirement accounts, financial accounts, again, real estate, business, any assets that the parties own.
So does that mean if I'm married for 2 months and I get divorced, half of my 401k is going to go to my spouse?
No, another common misconception is people sometimes assume it's going to be a 50-50 division of marital property. And so the courts can look at a lot of different factors. One's going to be length of marriage. Other one is going to be how much did each party contribute to the marital estate? Did someone get an inheritance? Did somebody purchase that home, bring it into the marriage? So there's a lot of factors the courts can look at to try to rebut that presumption. So again, it's really important. I think almost more importantly, you have an attorney who understands how to value assets. We have many clients that leave maybe tens of hundreds of thousands of dollars on the table because they're dealing with an attorney who doesn't understand what goodwill is, how to value goodwill, doesn't understand how to value a small business, doesn't understand how to value income producing properties. So it's really important that we find somebody that understands how to value assets and then also understands these factors the court take into consideration in determining a fair and just split of the marital estate.
I agree, and so I think at the end of the day, you want to make sure that you're getting good advice as to, even though we have this presumption or this rule that everybody gets half of everything, that doesn't necessarily mean that that's the case in every situation. You want to make sure that you get an attorney who knows what those factors are and how to apply them to each individual case.
Yeah, I completely agree.
So if you need any more information, you can always check us out online at websterlegal.com or give us a call at 317-565-1818.